Hi, I'm Leigh Roberts with LAR Physical Therapy in Columbia, Maryland. I'm going to be talking to you today about the exercise called Bird Dog. So you're going to start off on all fours in a nice neutral position. This is a lifetime exercise that the better you get, the harder it should be. So the goal of the exercise is to maintain a neutral spine while you're moving your legs and your arms. We're going to start off with a basic version though, just moving your legs. So you're going to engage your core, pulling your belly button to your back. You're going to start off with just sliding your leg back and in. And alternate legs, out, good, and in. So you want to keep that nice neutral spine here, abdominals pulling in, and you're working your glutes. Once you've mastered this, you can go to a leg press to the wall. So now you're going to reach out, flex your foot, and reach the heel to the wall, and in. Alternating legs. Still pulling the abdominals in. So we're getting abdominals and glutes working together to stabilize the pelvis. Good, you're breathing. Pushing through your shoulders, keeping a neutral spine. If you can successfully do this without a lot of shifting in the pelvis, you can add the opposite arm. So you're going to add the opposite arm and leg now. And good. Let's hold that for 5 counts. And press. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So you're really putting a lot of energy into this exercise. This exercise should be hard no matter whether you're a beginner or advanced. This exercise helps organize your body. It works your shoulders, your abdominals, and your glutes. Good, keep going. You're going to do about 10 sets on each side. Make sure you're engaging abdominals. Imagine you had a bowl of water on your back and you're not sloshing the water around. For more information, you can look at www.larphysicaltherapy.com.